Next we are going to see next implicit object, that is out. Out is an object of Java X dot servlet dot JSP dot JSP writer, which is meant for writing the content on the web page. Now, how this particular out will be used, how to write the content on the web page, we are going to see now. Say, for writing the content on the web page, we are using this particular expression tag. Right now, we have got a concept of out, where you can check it out. Out dot println. Just straight away you can write down result is something like this. Simple way. Here also same thing. Get message, something like this. You can handle this. Now if I run this program, and run it, yes, you can see the result. Just the display tag instead of out, instead of expression tag, we are using out. That's it. Other than that, nothing else we have changed over here. This is what the speciality of this out.println implicit object. Next, we are going to see next object.